to be one heart and one soul. From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Sa lugar kung saan
My love, parang kailan lang nung una tayong nagkita. Natatandaan ko pa kung paano ka mainis at mayabangan sa akin. Pero sino mag-aakala na ang inis at yabang ay magiging pagmamahal? Totoo nga siguro ang kasabihan, the more you hate, the more you love.
At biglang natanong sa aking sarili,
We both know that finding our way here wasn't easy. Dami natin pinagdaanan at napuntahan, but it was always you, and it will always be you. We made it work, and we will make it work for sure.
ba't ganon? No, hawakan mo ako, damhin mo ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo.
Kaya nga, hindi lang kayo nagkatagpo, pinagtagpo kayo. Hindi tsamba o hindi kayo magaling pumili, tinadhana kayo. Kaya nga pinagtagpo at tinadhana.
Itaas mga kamay at pakikinig sa sabay at umiinit.
Janice, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Rodrigo Jr., did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
First of all, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa Panginoon. Dahil sa di inaasahang pagkakataon, tayo ay kanyang pinagtagpo at tinadhana. At ngayon ay binabasbasan ng ating kasama.
Thank you, Shopee.
Words fall through me and always
Hi, my love, Mr. Gonzalez. Let me start by saying I love you and thank you for this beautiful wedding. Finally, here we are, celebrating another journey of our relationship. For sure, this is gonna be one of the best journey we'll ever have.
Thank you.
Thank you sa mga biyayang binibigay mo sa amin ng papa mo. Proud kami sa iyo bilang bunso namin. Sana tumagal ang iyong pagsasama sa hirap at ginhawa nga sabi nila.
raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You make it now.
Oy!
Anong pala ng
May pasok na pasok na. Today is our day. Erase. Let's enjoy and I'll see you later. I love you so much. Your bride. Oh! Sino yung bride?
A choice. You've made it now. Falling slowly, sing your melody. I'll sing it. Paid the cost too late. Now you're gone.
I promise I will choose you over and over without any doubts. I will keep choosing you. I promise to take care of you, take care of this marriage, and our future family. You will never be alone as you will always have me. I'm excited to spend my forever with you. I love you so much, my love. Love, Janice Bill Peke Gonzalez.